Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a pricing plan page using a shortcode with CubeWP. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, navigate to CubeWP and click on Dashboard. Once the page opens, you'll see the All Shortcodes cheat sheet option. In this list, you'll find the shortcode for the pricing plan. You can also see the option to copy shortcode. Go ahead and copy this shortcode, as you'll need it for the next step. Next, head over to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. Create a new page and give it a title, such as Pricing Plan. In the content area of the page, paste the shortcode you copied earlier. This will embed the pricing plan form into your page. Finally, after pasting the shortcode, click Publish to make the page live. And that's it. You've now successfully created a pricing plan page using CubeWP and added it to a new page on your site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.